Hi, welcome to Paint the Kitchen Red. Today we're making a popular Indian restaurant dish called Rogan Josh. This is an incredibly aromatic lamb curry that's going to blow you away. Now traditionally Rogan Josh takes hours of cooking to get that melt in your mouth tender lamb, but we're going to use the Instant Pot and cut that time down to just 45 minutes. You're going to need 2 pounds of lamb cut into 1.5-inch cubes, and you should trim it of as much fat as you can. You can also use beef cubes. I do that very often, and you don't need to change anything in the recipe. Just don't use a lean cut of beef. Use something with some fat like beef stew meat. 1/4 cup of chicken broth or beef broth, 2 tablespoons of minced garlic, 1/4 cup of chopped cilantro, 2 cups of chopped onion, 1/4 cup of plain yogurt, and 2 tablespoons of minced ginger. Now I know this looks like a lot of spices, but just get them all together before you make the recipe and everything else will go really quickly. You'll need 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. You can also use ghee if you like. 5 cardamom pods, 5 cloves, 1 piece of cinnamon, that's about 2 inches, 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri chili powder. You can use more if you like it spicier, but I add paprika for color, and I use 1 tablespoon of paprika. 2 teaspoons of cumin powder, 2 teaspoons of coriander powder, 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 1/4 teaspoons of salt or to taste, and 2 small bay leaves. You can also use 1 large. Select the Sauté function and allow the Instant Pot to heat up. Once the Instant Pot is heated up, add oil or ghee. When the oil is hot, add the cardamom, bay leaves, cloves, cinnamon, and stir them up until they're fragrant. Now you're going to add the onions, the garlic, ginger, and stir the onion, garlic, and ginger until the onions are a light golden brown, and that'll take about 5 to 7 minutes. This browning of the onions is really important to the flavor of this dish. What I like to do at this point is to turn off the sauté mode and let the spices cook in the residual heat of the Instant Pot so that they don't burn. So add all the spices and stir to mix up the spices with the onion mixture. While you're stirring, if you find that the spices are sticking to the bottom or they're burning, deglaze with about a tablespoon of water or broth and make sure there's nothing stuck to the bottom of the Instant Pot. Add the lamb to the spices and stir to coat the lamb with all the spices. Scrape the bottom of the Instant Pot to make sure there are no brown bits stuck to the bottom, and once again deglaze if you need to. Add the yogurt and the broth. What you could do is mix the yogurt in with the meat before adding it to the spices. Stir all the ingredients together, and now we're ready to pressure cook. Close the lid and pressure cook on high pressure for 22 minutes. You're going to do a natural release of pressure, which means you're going to let the float valve fall on its own. And once the float valve has fallen, you can open the lid. Just be careful of the heat and the steam. If you find that the curry is too thin, you can use sauté mode to reduce the liquid. And once it's reduced, the curry is ready to be served. I love to have this with naan or chapatis, but it also tastes great on rice. I like to garnish the Rogan Josh with cilantro right before serving. I hope you enjoy this recipe. Thanks for watching.